Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I want to share with you the DIY toner I decided to hop onto and try. Well, on this channel I share natural recipes for skincare and hair care, but here I saw this DIY and I decided to try it on. Although I'm a lover of DIY and I'm a believer of DIY, but I am already sunk into formulations, natural formulations. But however, I decided to hop on this DIY when I first saw it, and it was like, oh wow, it's going to do this, it's going to do that, and I decided to give it a try. And then I told myself that if I give this a try and it was worth it, I'm going to share this with you guys. So trying out the toner hack with apple cider vinegar and Dettol. Now, the thing that actually triggered me to trying out this recipe or to trying out this DIY is the fact that both items used here are antibacterial, and like I watched or like I saw that it actually helped with clear skin, like it helped to fight acne and pimples. And I was like, how okay, fine. Dettol is actually an antiseptic and apple cider is actually antibacterial too. It has antibacterial properties. So I was like, okay, well, this is possible to work, but I need to give this a try because I love experiments. So I decided to give this a try. I made the DIY recipe. I had 1 cup of water because it must be diluted. So please, if you're going to give this a try and you feel like you want it to work too much and you want to use too much of the ingredient, you're only going to be damaging your skin more. So please, you have to dilute both ingredients. I used rose water. You can use distilled water if you want to. So I used rose water for mine. I added 2 teaspoons of vinegar, and then I added just a few drops of Dettol. Please do not use too much Dettol. You would hurt your skin instead of helping your skin. So I used some few drops of Dettol in this. If I were to measure this in grams, for those of us who would like to weigh out this, I think I would have 85 grams of water, 10 grams of apple cider vinegar, and 5 grams or less than 5 grams of Dettol. Okay, so if I were to weigh this, I believe this would be what I would have gotten if I were to weigh, but I didn't weigh. I used a measuring spoon. So for my measuring spoon, I used 1/4 cup of rose water, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, and a few drops of Dettol antiseptic. So I added this into a glass and I stirred until it was fully mixed together, and then I transferred this into my dispensing bottle. Okay, so I tried using this. My face was literally very rough from stress. I was really darkened and I have some few pimples around my face, so I decided to give this a try. I tried this, although I was with my normal skincare routine. I didn't change anything, and after about 3 days I found out that every single pimple on my face was gone and I was left with just their spots. It was really amusing because I really didn't believe it would work that fast. So I was shocked. I was like, okay, probably maybe some other product has done this job or something. So I decided to just leave it out and do my thing. So I jumped back to my normal skincare routine, and after some months I had pimple again, I think 1 or 2, and then I rushed back to this toner and decided to use it again, and the next day it was all gone. Believe you me, it was gone. This actually worked. I was shocked. So I decided to still give it the benefit of doubt, and I decided to keep it aside again. After some time I picked it up again. I usually would not have pimples all over my face, always 1 or 2. So when I got 1 or 2 pimples again, I picked it up and I used it. Now, why am I making this video now? I picked this toner again. This is it because I have used it for some time now. This is just what is remaining. I don't use it continuously. I only use it when I have problems. So I picked it up about 4 days ago. I had a pimple here. Maybe I should take off my glasses so you see it. I have a pimple here. I can't even find it again. Here. I had a pimple here 4 days ago, and I wanted to make a video for something. I wanted that pimples to, you know, clear off really fast. So I took it again and I tried it. Just that, okay, I used it in the afternoon on just my face like that. I was like, hey, you come and do some job. And then in the evening again, after I had my bath, I used it again, and then I used it the next morning. And trust me, by noon, when I wanted to make my videos, I was looking for the pimple and I couldn't find it. As you can see, it is gone, it's dried up. I bet you I didn't use any other thing aside this. Now let me make it clear to you. I am not saying this is going to brighten your skin. I am not saying it's going to help you fight hyperpigmentation or sunburn or something, but the fact that it helps to clear those small rash, those small pimple, and those small acne actually is worth it for a DIY. No serious ingredients, just 3 ingredients: the water, probably the rose water, any hydrosol you want to use, the apple cider vinegar, and the Dettol. I never believed it was going to work. Like, I was shocked, and I said to myself I was going to share this with you, and let's see if any other person has this testimony, or if there's any person that would give this a try too and come back with feedbacks. This actually worked in a space of 24 to 48 hours. I'm not talking to those who have big acne or cystic acne or very serious acne, okay? Although probably maybe you can still give this a try and see if it's going to clear up. At least it's going to reduce the acne bacteria, as it contains an antibacterial and antiseptic. It definitely will help to reduce it. And I think probably you should give it a try and give us a feedback to if it works for you. But for me, this worked for me. This worked for me. It worked for me. All I needed to do was to use it twice a day. You know, I could use it twice a day, and it's really compatible with any of my skincare product. It doesn't really disturb any of them. I even had to, you know, make a glycolic acid toner, the one I told you guys that is smoothing my face. You can find the link in the description box. Yes, I had to make that one, and I was using both. I used this in the day, and then I used that at night, and it actually helped my skin. Like, that one helped to brighten my skin, while this helped to fight whatever rashes or pimple I got. And trust me, it worked. It worked, it worked, it worked. So if you're going to give this a try, please let me know in the comment section. If you've tried this before and it has worked, please also let us know in the comment section. I hope you give this video a thumb up. Please give this video a thumb up. And if you're new on here, please subscribe to this channel so you can get more of my videos. Down on this channel, I have lots of videos that will be beneficial for your skin and if you run a cosmetic brand. I'm going to sign off from this video. Catch you in my next video. For now, take care and have a lovely day. Bye.